Okay, so here we go. And first, I want to say thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. I'd come across your website the other day, and I figured I would just reach out to you and let you know a few things that I found, and maybe you find it informative or useful. So I figured I'd shoot this quick screencast here and try to send it over to you guys so you can get a look at it. A couple things to start with. As far as the point of the video was to explain a little bit about content, backlinks, and citations, and how to increase the value of your company and get more exposure on Google, which will create more leads and become more sales. So, a couple of things to quickly review here. Of course, you understand every time you type something into here, into Google, into the search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses that to look for websites that best fit that search criteria for what's typed in here. Search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the words that are typed in here, and then categorizes those websites based on that, based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now, typically you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. I noticed that you guys are out of Raleigh, and so I just typed in plumber in Raleigh, and you are not on the first page. So I wanted to explain a little bit of that, maybe give you some insight. Of course, we got ads here, and of course, we know that this is the map area or the map pack. Ranking here is directly related to your Google business profile and the citations that are linked to that, along with the area of coverage that you specify in your business profile. It's extremely important to try to get yourself ranked in here. It creates a lot of exposure, a lot of local traffic, more leads, more sales. Citations, directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, and your business profile will put you in here. Underneath the map is organic rank structure, and that is based on content and backlinks. Aside from advertisements, that doesn't count. But I did want to grab, number 5 position here in Midtown, and I put him right up here in this bar right here. Now I do have your website here as well, and I have a tool that I can look at. It's called Ahrefs, and it gives me a little behind the scenes look as to what's going on inside a website and how it's ranking. Now I did mention backlinks. Backlinks are important for a rank structure. That is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another, and it's a strong ranking factor. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to keep that in mind. A reference from Pizza Hut or an ice cream shop down the road from your business doesn't have as much weight and as much strength behind it as another plumbing company does referring to you. It looks like 26 backlinks for you, 6 referring domains from that. And it looks like you have 22 keywords, and what that's doing is generating about 7 views a month in traffic. Now, when you take a look to Midtown Plumbing that's on the first page, I can put him in the same tool, so let's get an understanding of why he's there. He has 783 backlinks. Now, with backlinks, like I said, not all of them are created equal. You want a strong domain rank, and you want it to have plenty of traffic. Aside from that, he's got 56 referring domains. He's got 215 keywords, and it's generating him 537 views a month. Now, to put that into a little better perspective, this is the amount of search volume per month that this keyword or phrase gets searched that he has incorporated into the content of his website. Plumbing Raleigh, 1,000 times a month. Midtown Plumbers, 450. Plumber Raleigh, North Carolina. See that? 700 times a month. Plumber Raleigh. Again. Plumber, plumbing, 250. Once you understand collectively the totals of these keywords within the content, create a lot of exposure for you, your business, and your website on the first page of Google. This is how the ranking structure works. This is why he's here. For example, Swartz Plumbing would have more backlinks, more keywords. This is kind of a brief summary here. 558 backlinks, 583 keywords. So once you understand how this comes together, you can get an appreciation of how the rank structure works. I mean, not all websites are created equal. Many companies build beautiful sites, but they'll fall short when it comes to content and SEO. When you bring these content, SEO, backlinks, citations, your Google business profile, the area that you cover, once this comes together and you become more endorsed through other companies and recognized for being an authority in what you do, you will start to move up the rank structure and Google will move you over to the first page and you'll get a lot of exposure. So, with that being said, I hope you have a better understanding or you can appreciate how this works. And if you had any questions or if you just wanted to talk, we could definitely put some time together. I'd be more than happy to look at whatever was realistic for you and what you may or may not be looking to do. I appreciate it. Thanks again. Have a nice day.